Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one more oxidizing agent in a series of in continuation with the oxidizing agent is DDQ. Its name is 2,2,3 dichloro 5,6 dicyanoquinone. It is the structure of this reagent, and generally with this reagent the solvent generally used is benzene and toluene. First we see the application of this reagent. So here many application is there. It oxidize the other and itself reduce. So first application is it dehydrogenation, means it remove the hydrogen from the molecule and oxidize the other. So first application is dehydrogenation. वन बाय वन हम उसका एप्लीकेशन और उसकी मैकेनिज्म देखेंगे, हाउ इट ऑक्सीडाइज द अदर. सो फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन इज डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन. Another application is dehydrogenative cyclization. Dehydrogenative cyclization. Third one is formation of quasi-aromatic compound. Formation of quasi-aromatic compound. Fourth application is insertion of oxygen. Fifth application is oxidation of alcohol. So one by one we will discuss its application of this reagent. So first application is dehydrogenation. Generally this DDQ reagent remove the hydrogen from the active site. So the first step H minus is removed and second step H plus is removed. So generally two hydrogen is removed and one double bond is formed. For example, if we take some allylic position, some allylic this type of group, and if it is react with DDQ is reagent and solvent is benzene. So here another double bond is formed. Here one of the hydrogen is removed from here and here one of the hydrogen is removed from here, and here the formation of new double bond. So this is the main application. So that means one equivalent DDQ remove one H2 molecule and generate one new another double bond. And जनरली हम देखेंगे इसके मैकेनिज्म में फर्स्ट स्टेप में कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म होगा, because in the first step H minus is removed from here. So generally carbocation is formed here and it is stabilized by conjugation, and there is a possibility of rearrangement also takes place, and DDQ oxidize the compound by dehydrogenating, and if only it possesses active position hydrogen, means allylic or benzylic hydrogen. If no active hydrogen are present, then reaction will not occur. Suppose if we take this type of molecule and if it react with DDQ, then there is a same solvent we use here, there is no formation of product because here no active hydrogen are there. Okay, and one equivalent DDQ generate one double bond. Suppose if we take cyclohexene and if we use here two equivalent of DDQ, it generate two double bond. So there is a formation of here for one bond generated here, one DDQ generate one double bond here and another one double bond generate here. So this is the main application. First we will see with the help of this mechanism. Another example we can see that अभी हम मैकेनिज्म देखेंगे, उसके बाद दूसरी एप्लीकेशन देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट वन मोर एग्जांपल देखते हैं. सो if we react this type of molecule with DDQ, if we take two excess DDQ, means two equivalent of DDQ in presence of benzene as a solvent, so product form is like that. Here there is a formation of methyl. One methyl is shifted here. So this is the product, but how this product is obtained we can see with the help of this mechanism. So in the first step, what happened in the mechanism, I cannot write whole molecule DDQ. So instead of DDQ I can write Q double bond O. So this is the structure of DDQ. The main importance is the double bond O. So like that, this part is Q part, and this double bond O, and here this double bond O. So if this previously हमने देखा कि ये molecule है first. So what happen generally in this molecule? Here two methyl are there. I forget here there is a benzene ring is there. Here there is a benzene ring is there. Otherwise reaction will not occur. So what happened in the first step? In the first step, the first H minus is removed. In the mechanism, in the first step, H minus is removed, and in the second step, H plus is removed. So finally, H minus and H plus make a bond, and removal of two hydrogen and formation of new bond. So first, which hydrogen is removed? And the first hydrogen is hydride ion is removed from the active side, and this is the active hydrogen. This is benzylic hydrogen. So after removal of H minus ion, there is a formation of carbocation. This H minus is attacked here. This double bond is shifted here, and there is a here. This bond is shifted here. So what happened in the first step? There is a formation of carbocation like that. In the first step, there is a formation of carbocation, and this carbocation is stabilized via conjugation. So in the first step, H minus is removed, and here what happened? H O single bond Q, and here O minus. Again this O minus abstract the proton from here. Here H plus is removed. So इलेक्ट्रॉन इस बॉन्ड का इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ लीव करके H plus is attached here, this bond. So here negative charge is generated, and this negative charge and positive charge make a bond, and we get this type of product, this type of intermediate. Like that, and this DDQ is converted into DDQH OH. So two hydrogen is removed here, OH like that, QOH OH. So two hydrogen is abstracted from here. Now in the second step, what happened? another molecule of DDQ. Here in the reactant, two equivalent of DDQ are there. So in the second step, if we take another molecule of DDQ, Q double bond O, double bond O. So this is the short structure of DDQ in presence of benzene as a solvent. So what happen? Again it extract the H minus ion. Here H minus ion is removed from here, because after removing H minus ion is here there is a formation of carbocation. This carbocation is stabilized also. So this H minus again attack on here. This bond is shifted here and this bond is again shifted here. So what we get? We get this type of structure. That here there is a formation of carbocation. Now we can see that the stability of carbocation is सबसे ज़्यादा कार्बोकेटाइन कौन सा स्टेबल होता है? बेंजाइलिक, इसके बाद एलाइलिक, उसके बाद 3 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री और 1 डिग्री कार्बोकेटाइन. एंड दिस कार्बोकेटाइन इज 2 डिग्री एलाइलिक कार्बोकेटाइन. But here rearrangement take place and the more stable carbocation is formed. This is here the methyl group, and here this methyl is migrated from this carbon to here, and this is called 1,2 methyl shifting. This is called 1,2 methyl minus shifting. So what happened? There is a formation of here methyl is shifted here and this methyl remain here. Now this 2 degree allylic carbocation is converted into 3 degree benzylic carbocation. So it is more stable carbocation than this. Now in the next step, what happened? After H minus, it is converted into this type of moiety, Q O H O minus. This O minus abstract the H plus, this O minus abstract the H plus ion from this position. This H plus ion is abstracted here and there is a formation of negative charge here, and this positive and negative charge make a new double bond. So we get the desired product and stabilized product like that. Here one methyl group and here another methyl group. So this is the product after using of this two equivalent of DDQ, and this DDQ is converted into DDQH. So this is the first step. In the first step, dehydrogenation is formed. Now second application is dehydrogenative cyclization. We will discuss with the help of an example. Another application is dehydrogenative cyclization. So in the dehydrogenative cyclization, we can see. Let me see the one more example. The example is like that for the second application. With the help of DDQ, benzene is a solvent. What happens? Cyclization occur and we get this type of product. Here two phenyl group, pH means phenyl group. So how we get this type of product? So we can understand with the help of mechanism. So we can start from the here mechanism. This is the mechanism part. How we get this type of product? This is the second application of this reagent, dehydrogenative cyclization. So in the first step, there is a abstraction of H minus ion. So H minus is abstracted from the active position. This is 3 degree benzylic hydrogen. After H minus, there is a formation of carbocation and it is highly stabilized. So with the help of DDQ, this H minus is again attacked here. This bond is shifted here and this bond is again shifted here. So what we get? We get this type of structure. Here positive charge is generated, two phenyl ring are there, and here double bond are there. Now in the second step, what happen? This bond is attacked here, and there is a formation of positive charge here. Positive charge is generated here, and this is also a stable carbocation. Now in the next step, this Q O minus and here OH, this O minus abstract proton from this position. So this proton is abstracted by this minus ion. So there is a generation of here negative charge, and this negative and positive charge make a bond, and we get this type of product. So this is the second application. Now third application is the formation of quasi aromatic compound. Quasi means आपने देखा होगा कि एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में कोई भी चार्ज होगा तो उसको बोलते हैं क्वासी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. साइक्लोप्रोपिनेल केटाइन is a quasi aromatic compound. So third application is formation of quasi aromatic compound. Let me see with one example. So this is the triphenyl cyclopropyl propene. Here the three side there is a phenyl ring, and if it is react with DDQ and one more acid HClO4 perchloric acid, so what we get? DDQ abstract the H minus ion from this here and generate a positive charge here. Generate a positive charge here. Remaining 3-phenyl as it is, and this DDQ is converted into, from the first step is converted into Q O minus and here OH, and after that this acid H plus react here and it is converted into this DDQH, and this ClO4 minus is stabilized with this type of positive charge. So ClO4 minus we can write here. So this is the aromatic compound and having a charge, positive charge. So this type of compound is called quasi aromatic compound. Another application we can see that we can take another application with the help of example. So if we take this type of compound, so again if it is react with DDQ HClO4, again it generate this type of quasi aromatic compound ClO4 minus plus QOH OH. So this is aromatic compound and having charge. This type of compound is called quasi aromatic compound. Now another application is oxidation of alcohol. Fourth application is oxidation of alcohol, and we know that oxidation 1 degree of alcohol is always oxidized to generally oxidized to aldehyde, and 2 degree alcohol is oxidized to ketone. So fourth application is oxidation of alcohol. So if we take any alcohol here, suppose if we take here this type of alcohol, this is 1 degree alcohol. So one of the hydrogen is removed from here and one of the hydrogen is removed here, and there is a formation of double bond between this, and one hydrogen is already there. So we get with the help of DDQ and benzene as a solvent, we get this type of aldehyde. If we take secondary alcohol, any secondary alcohol, then always we get the secondary alcohol, any oxidizing agent oxidize secondary alcohol to ketone. You can take here 2-phenyl ring. If it is oxidized with DDQ, benzene as a solvent, so what we get? We get ketone as a product, because DDQ, what happened, two hydrogen is removed, one of the hydrogen is removed here and one of the hydrogen is removed from here, and there is a formation of new bond between carbon and oxygen. So always 2-degree alcohol is oxidized into ketone. Any oxidizing agent, you can take any oxidizing agent. Previously also we discussed the PCC is also oxidized 2-degree alcohol to ketone. इस तरह से हम कोई भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट लास्ट एप्लीकेशन इज, फिफ्थ एप्लीकेशन इज इंसर्शन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. इंसर्शन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, इंसर्शन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में दैट मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोजन. एक ऑक्सीजन एंटर होगा, 2 हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा. सो अल्टीमेटली ऑक्सीजन इंसर्ट होगा तो ऑक्सीडेशन, हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा तो भी उसको ऑक्सीडेशन बोलेंगे. सपोज कोई भी एक एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन वाला कंपाउंड ले लेते हैं, सपोज है टोल्यूइन. सो व्हाट हैपन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ DDQ, it oxidize this into benzaldehyde, means insertion of oxygen and here there is a removal of 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen remove हो जाएगा और we get this type of formation of insertion of oxygen and removal of 2 hydrogen. So how it is oxidized? Let's we say the mechanism shortly. So in the first step there is a mechanism हम देखते हैं इसकी, how it is, how oxygen is inserted and hydrogen is removed. So in the first step what happened? In the first step there is a active hydrogen here. This is active hydrogen, this is a toluene, and this H minus is abstracted by DDQ. So this H minus is abstracted here, this bond is shifted here, and this again this bond is shifted here, and there is a formation of positive charge here, CH2 plus, and here what happen, OH Q O minus, and this O minus again make a bond with this positive part, and we get here CH2 O Q OH like that. Again another molecule of DDQ, Q double bond O double bond O. Again this another molecule of DDQ abstracted H minus from here, this H minus is again abstracted here, this bond is again shifted here, and this they are having a negative charge, and here after abstraction of H minus there is a formation of positive charge here, and this positive and this negative charge again combine, and what we get, this type of structure, CH O Q OH, and here also formation of O Q and OH. And final step is acidic hydrolysis. So this bond is broken, and one of the oxygen is coming from the this water molecule, so it is converted into C double bond OH, and 2 hydrogen is coming from water, and this O is converted into OH, this O is also converted into OH, so we get 2 mole of H O Q OH. So this is the insertion of oxygen. So these are the main 5 application of this DDQ. Hope you understand this all this application. Thank you very much.